Maris, speaking of professionalism, I would have to commend you na at least you stood your ground. Lumalabas ngayon doon sa social media yung video nung actual na press conference kung saan sa kalagitnaan ng pagtatanong mo doon sa ating incoming president ay nag-catcall siya, kumbaga sinipulan ka niya, sumipol siya sa iyo. Can you give us an idea, kasi from your point of view, paano ba ito nangyari and how did it affect you as a journalist, Maris?
Alam mo, Cara, yung press conference na yon, of course, we have Attorney Sal Panelo to supposedly moderate the press conference, being the spokesperson. Kaya lang, nung pagkakataon na yon, parang kahit sino pwedeng magtanong, kahit na magtaas ka ng kamay, parang hindi naman tinatawag talaga kung sino yung susunod. Walang listahan ng pagkakasunod-sunod. In the past, I've been covering the presidents, yung mga previous presidents, and nakikita talaga natin
from his media.
Tingin ko na lang yung composure ko. I tried to understand what the situation was and tried to get my answer, which I did. Siya naman, after doing his stunt there, sinagot naman niya ang ating katanungan, Cara.
Pero after that ba, Maris, may lumapit ba sa'yo from his media or from his media staff, at least yung kanyang mga coordinators, to at least apologize for yung ganitong klaseng actuations? Kasi alam naman natin na catcalling is sexual harassment.
Alam mo, Cara, wala. From their end, walang lumapit.
Current date is 33rd week of 1999. The current date is 33rd week of 1999. The current date is 33rd week of 1999.